This tutorial quickly walks you through on how to use Google Gemini in your Google Drive. The first step is to launch your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice that you want to use for this task. Visit drive.google.com and sign in if you are prompted to do so, but in most cases, if you're accessing Gmail through the web browser, you will be logged in automatically. Here am I on my Drive homepage, alright? I'm logged in automatically because I'm accessing Gmail on this browser, okay? Then, by this side, you're on the home, click on My Drive. On clicking on My Drive, you will see this Ask Gemini icon at the top right. You will only see this when you subscribe to Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra, alright? That's when you see this at the top part of your account. Then let's click on this to see how we can use this by default, alright? So by this side, it gives me some ideas: plan trip, track finance, and organize task. Alright, so these are just pre-designed tasks that you can complete on your drive. So let's say I'll go with this plan trip for it to help me plan trip. But before that, I wanted to take a look at this place where you see the thing. If you click there, you will see areas or sources that this AI tool have access to. It will scan through your drive, it will scan through your Gmail, it will scan through your chat, it will scan through your calendar. It's from these sources that it can say, all right, this is how you got to plan your trip automatically. And you have this web option as well. If you wanted to have access to web to help you still create something wonderful, just click on this for it to be enabled. And that's beautiful. I like using that too. So after that, click out and let's ask this AI to help us plan our trip. So I'll click on plan trip. Okay, Gemini has returned a feedback in this case. All right. It says, I couldn't find an answer in your current sources. To help me find it, check your search settings in Search Sources panel or try adding more relevant files. This is clear. I have another Gmail account, and that another Gmail account has a different documents or different documents, more documents inside. So if the such documents are here that contains some travel information or events I scheduled, this may be able to do what? To give me information on how to plan my travel. Alright, so that's to tell you that this relies on your Drive account, on Gmail, on calendar to give you information based on how to plan your travel. But sometimes this may be because of error, because AI is not perfect. So let's get to Home here and get to my Drive again to try this out again. So I'll click on this to see if it will give us a better result. And here, the next step I need to take is, let me click here and then deselect this web. Okay, it's deselected by default. That's fine, because in the previous one we selected it, so we have deselected it here. Then let's click on plan trip again to see what it gives us in return. And it now repeated the same thing, meaning that I don't have enough information about planning of any kind of trip. So let's get to Home and then get to my files, my Drive, and see if it can help us to plan something different, maybe track finances. Then let's click on this track finances and see what it will give to us. And here we are. It's able to track finances for us in this case because I have some finance documents in my email as well as in Drive. And look at what it says. It says, based on your recent financial activity, here is a consolidated look at your spending, income, and upcoming bill obligations as of June 30, 2026. Okay, total identified spending is this. But this is based on the file you found here because I spent more than this. Total identify income recent months 10 USD. That plus 16 naira, that's small. So it's going to work based on the file you have here. So if you have more files in your drive and other sources, it will give you more information. All right. And a lot of them broken down. Now let's do a custom prompt on what we want this AI to do for us. Let me get to home as well. And then I'll get to my drive. All right. So I will click on this and give it a custom assignment or a custom task for it to do for me. And here it says, source out files on job application letter written to Microsoft. Let's say this, my drive contains a lot of data, a lot of information and files that runs into maybe thousands. I can't be searching for files one after the other. So with the help of this prompt, I believe Gemini will help me source that out faster. So I'll click on this submit. Okay, you can see this has come up with a feedback. It says the document titled application letter, which is a job application address to Microsoft, was located in your Google Drive. You see that? It works based on the sources provided. And look at what it says. It says position apply, cybersecurity analyst, target location, Microsoft New York City office. So if you scroll down now, you will see this link icon here, meaning that is referring to the document specifically. All right. So if I click on it, I'll be able to get some more information. I'll click on this and look at the letter here. So I may decide, okay, let me click on it for it to open on a new tab. I use it for whatever thing I want to use it for. If you consider this helpful, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. See you some other time.